Hello everyone and welcome to the video. My name is Elizabeth and in today's video we're going to talk about how I make a full-time living online. I've mentioned this in some of my other videos and I wanted to just discuss it today and show you exactly how I learned how to do this for myself. I basically, back in 2013, I created an online business for myself and I do what is called affiliate marketing. And that is basically just promoting other people's products, so I don't have to sell the product myself. I don't have to package it, mail it, ship it off, do any of the customer service, anything like that. I basically affiliate with other companies that have products, and I promote those products online through my website, through YouTube, through social media, and whenever someone purchases one of those products, I get a commission from that. That's how easy it is. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I learned how to do all this and how I continue to learn, by the way. This is an ongoing process for me, and the platform that I'm going to show you today is one of the very best if you want to learn, or if you already are an affiliate marketer and you just want to get some of the best tools available online to you. Okay, so it's called Wealthy Affiliate. You've probably heard me talk about that before in the past. But this is where I learned, and this is how I started my business. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about today. So let's go inside to, this is my profile here within Wealthy Affiliate. And as you can see, I've been here since 2013, just like I said. And I'm going to show you today, we're going to talk about the classroom area. So one of the things that Wealthy Affiliate does is, well, first of all, it teaches you absolutely everything you need to know in order to start your own business and start making money as an affiliate marketer. Okay, and there is an actual courses, let me show you right here, this online entrepreneur certification. There's this whole course, which is what I suggest you start with. It's going to get you up and running very quickly, and it's going to teach you the basics of what it means to be an affiliate marketer and what exactly you're going to be doing. And then it'll also get you started. So you're going to, by the fourth lesson, you're already going to have a website built for yourself and you're going to be ready to start making money. But we're going to discuss the classroom area. This is what I like to call kind of the continuing education. If you are a teacher, or maybe you're a nurse, or you're in real estate, I think that majority of those careers are always learning because things always change. And the same is true in the online space. So this is where this classroom area is where I come all the time to learn even more about affiliate marketing. And this is one of the most valuable things that Wealthy Affiliate offers. So as you can see in the classroom area, you've got a ton of different classrooms on all kinds of different topics, and I'll go through a few of them for you. So here you've got social engagement and marketing, website development and programming, email marketing, search engine optimization, keyword research, anything to do with WordPress, video marketing. This one I'm actually going through right now and it's awesome. Pay-per-click marketing, and then local marketing. So you've got all these classrooms, and within each classroom, if you look right here, for instance, this Getting Started classroom has 5 courses. Okay, the website development and programming has 5 courses, and it shows you how many videos are in there, and also tutorials. Those are separate from the courses themselves. They're just extra tutorials to kind of show you how to do certain things. So the email marketing, here's 5 courses. Let's go into this classroom and I'll show you a little bit more. First of all, you've got questions and answers. Anybody that has a question, they can write it in here and it'll get answered. Okay, then you've got your tutorials. They're created by different people within the community. And here's one, a tutorial on building an email list. Understanding the art of email marketing, just all kinds of different tutorials here. And then here are the courses that I was referring to. And within each course, you're going to have a bunch of different lessons. Here you have 10 lessons. This one has 7. This one has another 10 and another 10. And this is all on email marketing. So anything and everything you need to know about email marketing is right here within this classroom. So as you can see, just the classroom area alone of Wealthy Affiliate is filled with incredible content that could keep you occupied and learning for a long, long time. And this is just one component of Wealthy Affiliate. Like I mentioned before, there's the online entrepreneur certification course. If you're a premium member, you're going to get all 5 of the courses, and within each course there's about 10 lessons. If you're a starter member, which is a free membership, you're going to get this first one right here, which is 10 free lessons. Still, it's a great value. For free, you can learn what affiliate marketing is all about, and you can get started yourself. You can stay free if you'd like. If you want to upgrade and invest in yourself, premium membership is extremely affordable, and it's something that I recommend if you're really serious about starting your own online business and making a full-time income from your home or from wherever you want to travel to. As long as you have a computer, you can get started doing this. So that's all I wanted to discuss with you today is the classroom aspect of Wealthy Affiliate. I'll be walking you through more of it as we go along, but I don't want to take up too much time on this video because there's so much that you can really get into here at this platform. But just the training alone in the classrooms are absolutely invaluable. They can teach you so much and can give you an edge on your competition because you have all of this education and training under your belt. Okay, I hope you like this video. I will leave a link to Wealthy Affiliate in the description. And if you use that link in the description, you're going to get access to me. Okay, I'm going to actually be there to walk you through and to give you advice, and I'll even offer opinions on if you build a website and you want me to take a look at it, just shoot me a quick email and I'll come by and look at it and give you some constructive criticism and kind of let you know what I think of it. So if you're interested in that, then go ahead and click that link in the description. It's free to sign up. You don't have to upgrade if you don't want to, and you can stay free forever if you'd like. Or, like I said, if you're really serious about making a full-time income online, then premium is definitely the way to go. You're just going to get so much more training and education and so many more tools that you can use to become successful. So I hope you like this video. I'll be doing more on this particular platform, as this is my #1 recommendation for anybody looking to get started with affiliate marketing. So I hope to see you in the next video, and go ahead and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you next time.